So Total Health's ASCO Direct Highlights is really important because it allows community practitioners, whether it be doctors, pharmacists, advanced practitioners, nurses, the opportunity to come to a smaller, more interactive setting to hear what they may have missed at ASCO annual meeting in Chicago.
Sometimes these annual meetings can be overwhelming and very busy.
So ASCO's Direct Highlights provides a really nice way for clinicians to gather, for 2 straight days, often on the weekend when they don't have to miss clinic or other things, and really hear about the major highlights and practice-changing abstracts that were presented in each disease category.
You get faculty from all over the country that are experts, so you get a diverse opinion, and between the actual presentations, the opportunity to meet with the speakers and get questions answered regarding even specific patient cases.
I'm very impressed with the participants at this meeting. A lot of really good questions, obviously very well-read practitioners. I don't get this kind of conversation all the time at home, so it's kind of nice to have a conversation with people that are interested in the treatment of this disease.
Sometimes I may not have thought of a question to ask, but then somebody else asks, and then you get to know the data more.
They do a great job of running these meetings, and you almost don't feel like you missed anything.
I would recommend other colleagues to attend ASCO Direct Highlights. It's been a great meeting and lots of new information and material, good comprehensive discussions about the studies, and even when the trials are negative, it was a valuable discussion.
ASCO Direct Highlights gives me direct access to my customers.
Excellent organization, excellent location.
I would recommend ASCO Direct Highlights for the busy clinical practitioner who can't make it to the annual meeting.
Very short, concise way of getting to know what's going on and what is state of the art or game-changing treatment in oncology.
I've been very impressed by the quality of the speakers that have been invited to review all of the updates from the last ASCO meeting, and I've been very pleased with how well the conference has been organized. I think that we've had a lot of great discussions from the audience and from the speakers about very practical applications of new clinical data, and I hope that it's been a useful conference for the participants and that they're able to take home new standards of care to help their patients and their practices.
I think this is an excellent way of refreshing your knowledge and then applying this thing in your practice.
I had a good time at ASCO Guidelines in St. Louis.
I had a great time at ASCO Direct Highlights Conference in St. Louis.
I hope to see you at next year's ASCO's Direct Highlights in St. Louis.